Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to properly insert your RAM. So I have this DDR3 RAM. I'm going to insert it in my laptop and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to do it. So let's go. So I'm just gonna remove this screw right here, and if you have the same laptop, you just need to pull it right here. Yep. Then if you see, you see these pins right here, you need to align them with there's something there that you need to align it with. Align it properly like this. Make sure it's in place, then just press. Don't worry about it breaking, just press gently, and then when you hear that click, it's in here. Yeah, it's locked in. And now we just close this boy up. Then I'll show you how to check if your RAM has been inserted successfully, and how to go into your setting and check if the RAM is showing, because sometimes you can insert and then the thing is not showing. So hold on a minute, let me just close this and then I start my laptop and I'll show you the steps. Alright, let me just log in here. So after inserting your RAM, if you want to check if the thing is showing, if the RAM is showing, what you need to do is hold Control, Shift and Escape. It's going to open up the task manager. So from here you go on performance, and performance, so from here, let me just make this big. Right, so if you see right here, showing slot used, right now it's showing 2 of 2. If there was only one RAM reading there, it could have been showing 1 of 2. If you can see, at first I had a 4 GB RAM in there. The new one that I just inserted was 4 GB. So now it's showing everything is reading correctly and the RAM is working. So consider leaving a like and a follow for more tech tips. Right, that's it guys, I'm signing out. So another way you can do it is by going into settings. Right, just go on about, yeah, to show here, and you go on installed RAM to show 8 GB. Alright, that's it for this video. Leave a like and comment if you have any questions down below.